Every site online needs its own web address, also known as a domain name. It's your website's unique virtual location. And in this video, we'll overview your domains page, the page in your Wix account where you manage your domains. We'll learn how to access your domains page in Wix, what you can do on the domains page, and finally break down the sections you might see, including assigned, unassigned, and inactive domains. Feel free to follow along or skip to the relevant section using the timestamps on screen. Let's start. To access your domains page, from your dashboard, click the User panel at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the menu on the left, click Domains. If you wish, you can click the on-screen or video description link to get to your domains page. In your domains page, you can connect or transfer a domain you already own to Wix, buy a domain directly from Wix, set up a professional email address for your domain. You can also edit your domain's contact information, assign or unassign a domain to a site, edit your DNS records to customize your domain's functionality, transfer a domain away from Wix or to another Wix account. Depending on your previous domain purchases, your domains page may include the following sections. Assigned domains. These are the domains that are currently active and assigned to a site. You can also view the expiry and renewal dates for each domain here. Unassigned domains. These are domains you own but haven't assigned to a site yet. Inactive domains. This section shows domains that are expired or inactive. For example, domains you've owned in the past but are no longer active. If your domain expired and you want to renew it, you can click Extend Registration or check domain availability. Keep in mind, repurchasing an expired domain isn't always guaranteed. And that's it. All links and topics mentioned are linked in the video description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and for more helpful content, check out our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.